In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of opening a savings account on Lloyds Bank. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So, let's begin. To get started, the first thing you need to do is either download the app on your smartphone or access it through your web browser on your computer. Now, let's dive in. Type on a browser of your choice the following phrase: how to open a savings account on Lloyds, and click on the first result. On the following page, scroll down until you don't see a blue bar where there is written, "It's quick and easy to open an easy saver online." Then, click on Open Now, as you can see in the video. At this point, you will be prompted with some questions where all you have to do is to just answer either yes or no. Just answer the question, and after this you will be able to create your online banking savings account on Lloyds. And there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.